Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Sagittarius. So let's start with your daily energy, guys, first. So we will be picking 3 cards, guys, for your daily energy. One card for your career situation, one card for your love energy. This is for your career situation, Sagittarius. This is for your love energy, and one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So this is the card here. We will turn these cards as we proceed, guys. Sagittarius. So let's start with the daily reading first. So it's 5 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, the Moon in reverse, guys. So in your situation today, Sagittarius, this may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So in your career or in your personal life, you may feel that certain people or circumstance or is working against you, guys, and you feel lonely, and you feel that you are the only one who is responsible and you need to do everything on your own. And maybe for some of you may stress and worries because of that. You have a lot on your shoulders, maybe burdens on your shoulders, guys. That may be the energy here, and you have lots of concerns, maybe regarding your family or yourself or with this person. So some kind of concern or worries that you're having today. So that may be the reason for some stress in your situation, guys. And there are people in your work or in your personal life who cannot be trusted. So they may have their own agenda. They are just in this connection with you. They are working with you, or they have this relationship with you just for their own benefit, not for love, or they do not have that true concern on you. So they are just trying to use you, maybe. So you should not trust such people, Sagittarius. That is also what I see. And maybe in your career or in your personal life, guys, you have that instability in your situation. Sometimes you see that things are going well, but sometimes not, and you see troubles. That consistency is not there. This may relate to your career situation also. So that consistent success you may not be having in your career situation, guys. So some troubles and obstacles are always there, and you feel really worried and concerned because of that too. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. 2 of Cups. So we see here with this card, maybe you are moving towards some collaboration, guys, in your career, something which you are really passionate about, maybe something which you feel inspired to do. Maybe for some of you it may be a second career, maybe in some creative art, in painting or dancing, or some creative art, some venture, or you may be collaborating with some other business or some person. So that mutual give and take of knowledge or work experience, something is happening today in your career situation, Sagittarius. And you are also learning a lot today about something in your career. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's 6 of Swords. So with this card here, guys, in your personal life, in this relationship with this person. This person and yourself, you would have faced some stressful situations today, guys, but you are recovering from those difficulties, maybe some quarrels or some fights you would have had in your situation today. So all that minor misunderstandings, you are overcoming all that, getting over that, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are on taking up a trip or to some place, maybe a holiday together, or it may be for work. You are traveling or they are traveling. So that is also what I see with this card, guys, in your relationship. So whatever stressful situations or whatever troubles you were facing, all that is slowly disappearing, guys, Sagittarius. That is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Sorry, guys, it's Yang. So this card stands for action. So that efforts that we need to make in our situation. So it can be in our career situation or in our personal life. So sometimes we will be thinking whether we need to make the first move in our relationship. Circumstances or you may feel are not right, but you can have trust in yourself. So make the first move in your relationship if you want this proposal. If you want this person and if you love them a lot, and you know in your heart of hearts that this love is true, you can make the first move towards this person, guys. Trust your heart and take the lead. That is what this card is about. The same way in your projects or partnerships, some business deals, whatever it is, it is with this card, it is out of that obstacle space, guys. So you can make the first move towards your choice, and you will reach success. You will accomplish your goals, and you will see abundance is waiting for you to claim it. So that is the card, guys, a very positive card here, the oracle guidance. So you can make the first move in your personal life or in your career situation. So whatever it is, you will reach success. So that is what this card is about, Sagittarius. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.